Log on to YouTube from your smartphone or computer. Search Tube4U. Hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell on so that you can stay updated to the latest updates from Tube4U.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tube4U. My name is Arpit and today's episode is going to be really special. I have started Body Positivity wala series. Now this thing is particularly focusing plus size people and their achievements. Because normally एक plus size individual को ऐसी नजरों से देखा जाता है कि जिसके अंदर उसको बहुत सी बॉडी शेमिंग हो गई या उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है या एक अगलीनेस के हिसाब से उसको देखा जाता है. लेकिन this is the whole point of body positivity. We are going to change it. So today I will be introducing you to an individual who has done amazing in life, who is also my very good friend. Please welcome Neha. That's Neha.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Hi Arpit. Nice to see you.
Pleasure. So this
Hello
is
all.
Neha.
Hi guys. My name is Neha Parulkar and I'm a freelance plus size model. Well, I actually work for a bank, so doing a plus size campaigns etc. is my getaway from the boring, dull life that I have. So that's in short about me, and I'm really excited to be on Arpit's show. I know it's about body positivity, which I aim at, inspiring people, awakening them about acknowledging the fact that there are people who struggle with body positivity issues, who have faced hate in their life, who are constantly under body shaming and all that kind of a pressure, which even a person like me faces on an everyday basis. I know it starts at home, and I know how difficult and what a struggle it can be for people of plus. So it's just I am here to inspire you, and I hope I can really help you get out of that shell that we all are at some point in our lives, and that's it.
So that's really great, Neha. Now tell me something. Have you ever felt low in your life because of all the negativity that you have gone through?
Well, yes, Arpit. I think all of us, like all the people who are plus size, who have been fat as kids due to some issues of maybe hormones or maybe anything. So people do not acknowledge the fact that it's not because we are fat, because we just like eating. There might be a lot of hundreds of issues, and these small things like calling someone moti or whatever. So people, in fact, like I said, it starts at home, and people at home also do not realize that ये हमारे पे कितना एक mentally effect कर रहा है. They think मजाक कर रहे हैं, they think मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, या हम positively ले रहे हैं. But एक point तक हम positively ले पाते हैं, उसके बाद we kind of break, because anything after a certain point can break you, can demotivate you, and that's what happened for me. It started at home with my cousins, with my parents telling me that patli ho ja, this, that. So yeah, I've always, in fact, even in 25 years of age, I'm 25 today, even today I face this kind of this hate or this kind of taunts at home. So I have been struggling throughout. Luckily right now I'm not in that shell anymore, but yes, when I was growing in school, in colleges, I was facing that hate. I was just as much bullied like everyone who is getting still bullied right now, or are facing that. So it happened to me since a very long time. It's been happening, it still happens to me, and I know how much I've struggled with it.
So now that is something that we all have gone through, especially when you are a plus size person. ये सारी चीजें तो होती रहती हैं. लेकिन as I always say, with a positive attitude, you can do anything in your life. So tell me, Neha, what exactly have you achieved till date? Because you're so positive, you're filled with so positivity. I want every one of you to understand कि अगर आप positive attitude रखते हैं तो आप अपनी जिंदगी में किस तरीके से बदलाव कर सकते हैं. Neha, please.
Yes, Arpit, I am a very positive person in life, and actually eventually हुआ है with time. पहले when I was a little younger, when I was in college, when I was very vulnerable and naive, और हर चीज़ मुझे affect करती थी, जो बहुत सारे लोगों को अभी भी होता है वैसा. तभी मैं नहीं इतनी positive थी. That time I was in my shell, I was in that cocoon. But eventually as time passed, and जिस तरह से then I started, मैं ignore भी आप एक हद तक कर सकते हो, कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें आप तक आती ही हैं. And same happened with me. Eventually with time, as time passes, as I started talking to myself, as I started loving myself, I used to keep talking to myself, because when I was growing up, I never had inspirations. I never had any role models whom I could look up to. I became my own role model. I talked to myself. I kind of boosted my own self up, because nobody was boosting me up at that point. And एक पॉइंट पे ऐसा था कि मैं ब्रेक हो जाती एंड आई डेंट वांट दैट टू कम टू मी वेयर आई एम लाइक डिप्रेस्ड एंड मुझे वो फेज में ही नहीं आना था. दैट इज व्हाई आई नो फॉर द फैक्ट कि आई ओनली हैड टू बी माई ओन रोल मॉडल व्हिच आई डिड. So eventually I created this shell of confidence around me because I always was confident for the fact that I always loved myself. So when I did love myself, so it automatically came to me that I need to be confident, I need to shut down the haters and you can't stop them. So rather I focused on myself, on what I felt about myself, what I wanted to do in life, what I wanted to achieve or what I wanted to be for myself. So that's what happened. Because of that, I got into modeling because I know that is the only way to inspire people. That's the only way to share this story that, you know, not every plus size person is in their shell. Not every plus size person is insecure. There are few people who take this opportunity to, you know, to share their positivity. And I'm a very positive person and I love myself. I'm very proud of my body. I'm very proud of the work that I've done because of, you know, in fact, I can say because of being plus size, I have got those opportunities which I know a lot of people can only dream about. Walking for Lakme Fashion Week, getting featured in a magazine like Grazia. Magazines like Vogue, Grazia, Femina, these are dreams of people. And I know even regular size people cannot sometimes reach that, you know, stage where they get opportunities like these, like Lakme Fashion Week, like we have got for Grazia, etc. So, I think because of being a model, a plus size model, that is why I've got that opportunity and I'm thankful because of my body I've got that. So I'm sure if you be positive, if you know you can achieve in life and everything is possible, everything is possible. You just have to love yourself, you just have to believe in yourself. Arpit.
बिल्कुल सही बोला नेहा यार. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग ये चीज़ मैंने पहले भी बोली हुई है, कितने पतले लोग हैं जिनको लैक्मे फैशन वीक के अंदर जाने का मौका मिला. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ अस. ये चीज़ एंड द पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड that she got such a wonderful opportunity to do modeling for such big brands which only people like mere mortals can think of. So with this said Neha, finally what advice would you like to give to the audience out there who are feeling a little low with their life, who are having a little low self-esteem?
Right.
So please rip it off.
Well, Arpit, you and I, we faced this since our childhood. We
Absolutely.
both know how difficult, what a struggle it has been.
Absolutely.
Even after so many years, now I'm 25 and you are probably again in your late 20s, you know how difficult it is. Even now we face so much body issues when people are passing, they look at us in a different way.
मैं वही एक चीज बोलना चाहूँगा. जब हम पैदा हुए थे तो we were chubby babies, but वो chubbiness अभी तक continue है. So this is something which is not in our hands exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Many people would say कि यार तुम पतले हो सकते हो. There are inspiration stories. Yes, they are. मैं नहीं मना करता उस चीज को, लेकिन यार ठीक है ना. Why can't we be ourselves?
Exactly.
हम इसमें क्या खराबी है?
Exactly.
She's so beautiful. I'm so smart.
Oh, yeah.
So
such a dude.
So you can be anyone you want with your body. Embrace yourself the way you are. Feel happy, feel good about yourself. That's the whole message of body positivity.
Exactly. And even I would like to say the same thing, that nobody helped me get out of that zone. Nobody helped me out. It was me. It was my decision to, you know what, I'm just going to ignore everything. So first and foremost, start ignoring the hate and shame, because even if you are I'm a size 22 today. Even if I become size 2, which I'm never going to be, but even if what guarantee do I have that people are still not going to shame me for some or the other reason? Maybe because my legs are
ज़्यादा पतली हो गई,
बहुत ज़्यादा पतली हो गई, या बहुत ज़्यादा पैर इसके कम हो गए, इसके
लोगों
chest
का
बहुत
काम
कम
तो
हो
बोलना
गई.
ही है.
Exactly.
People will just say कि उनको कुछ नहीं है, उनका क्या जा रहा है?
उनका क्या जा रहा है?
वही तो
Exactly. Size is just a number.
Absolutely,
If it's size 2 or you're a size 22, you will face hate if people want to. You can't change them. All you can do is change your own mentality for yourself, not for others. मैं तो यही बोलूँगी कि start ignoring these haters. कोई कुछ बोलता है, ignore करो. Create a shell of confidence around you, because that's the only thing that's going to help you. Because जिस दिन you will not let it affect you, उस दिन से you will start feeling कि यार बोलने तो जो बोलना है, I am going to do what I want to do. I'm going to wear what I want to wear. And eventually ना लोग ना बोलना भी बंद कर देंगे जब हम बोलते हैं ना इसको तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Let them get that attitude कि इसको नहीं कोई फर्क पड़ता, तुम कितना भी बोलो. That's when they're going to stop. That's when even you will start feeling कि यार let it be. I'm going to do what I have to do.
Absolutely.
I am going to post my pictures the way I want. I'm going to wear what I want, and I'm just going to ignore.
Absolutely.
I'm sure घर वालों की बातें हम नहीं इग्नोर कर पाते, but
because क्या 24 घंटे उनके साथ में रहना है. But the whole point is कि 100 की एक बात अगर मैं बोलूँ, if I want to put this thing in brief, the whole point is love yourself.
Love yourself.
बाकी सब छोड़ दो. Just love yourself. So with this top tip, I would like to bid goodbye for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I know कि बहुत सारे लोग इसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ वो चीज़ें बोलने वाले हैं जो हमने अभी चीज़ें डिस्कस की हैं. But frankly speaking, haters gonna hate. We are gonna do what we have been doing.
Exactly.
So with that said, this is Arpit Handa signing off. That is
I'm Neha Parulkar.
And stay tuned to Tube for You. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and watch the previous videos on body positivity over here. Till then, stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Be positive.
Yeah, be positive.